Breault is pleased to announce the addition of a new ray export capability within the ASAP environment, allowing our users to save a portion of the rays traced in an IGES file format. In this example, we've created a simple reflector, and we've traced approximately 100,000 rays using a standard LED from our source library. Once the ray trace is complete, we can use the CAD export command as shown here with the new trace option to store the rays in the specified IGES file. The number of rays stored in the file is determined from the previous trace plot command, where in this case we've rendered approximately 100 rays in the 3D view and exported those same rays to the raytrace.igis file. We can now view those rays directly in a CAD environment such as SOLIDWORKS, where they can be combined with the underlying geometry. This provides engineers with another tool to help visualize the interaction between light and the optical system model.